If your Telegram downloads are moving way too slowly, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix slow download speed on Telegram, step by step. We're going to check your connection, refresh the Apple browser, clear out anything slowing things down, and even test whether the problem is only happening in Telegram web. By the end, you'll know the fastest way to get your files downloading properly again. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, let's check whether the problem is actually Telegram or just your internet connection. Open your browser and search for speed test. Then run a quick internet speed test and look at your download speed, upload speed, and ping. If your speed is already very low, then Telegram is not the real issue, your connection is. In that case, you may need to restart your router, move closer to your Wi-Fi source, or contact your internet provider if the speeds are much lower than expected. Next, try switching your connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, disconnect and test using mobile data instead. If you're on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi and see if the download improves. Sometimes one network is overloaded, unstable, or simply slower than the other. If possible, connect to a faster and more stable network and try the Telegram download again. This is one of the quickest ways to tell whether the speed issue is caused by your connection type. Now let's make sure nothing else is using up your bandwidth. Pause any other downloads that are running in the background. That includes game updates, cloud backups, file transfers, streaming videos, or large app downloads on other devices connected to the same network. If multiple devices are sharing the same internet connection, they can slow each other down. Once you pause those extra activities, go back and test the Telegram download again. You may notice an instant improvement. If you're using Telegram web, the next step is to refresh the page. Sometimes a browser session can get stuck or temporarily slow down file transfers. Try reloading the Telegram web again from scratch. Then sign back in if needed, and try downloading the file one more time. A simple refresh can often fix temporary web loading issues. If the speed is still not better, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, old browser data can interfere with websites and cause strange performance issues, including slow downloads. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History settings, and clear cache and cookies. After that, sign back into Telegram web and test the download again. This step can resolve issues caused by corrupted temporary data or outdated session files. If Telegram downloads are still slow after that, the next thing to test is the Telegram desktop app. Download the same file using the desktop version and compare the speed. If it downloads much faster there, then the issue is probably limited to your browser or Telegram web. If it's slow there too, then the problem is more likely your internet connection, device performance, or the network itself. This comparison is important because it helps you pinpoint the real cause instead of guessing. So to quickly recap, first, test your internet speed. Second, switch networks if needed. Third, pause anything else using bandwidth. Fourth, refresh or reopen Telegram web. Fifth, clear your browser cache and cookies and sign back in. And finally, test the file in Telegram desktop to see whether the issue is browser related. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix slow download speed on Telegram. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tech tips, quick fixes, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.